What's a super easy way to tell you're unprepared? The power outage test. So you think you're ready for any emergency? You've got fresh milk, a stocked pantry, and a support system of family and neighbors. And then, oh, that was unexpected. So you've lost power for the foreseeable future. But that's okay. Before you lost power, you loaded up your fridge with enough food to feed you and your family for days. But then you remember that your fridge has no power. And by the second day, you've had to toss out almost all your food and you're left with some soy sauce and an old bottle of mustard. But you're still fine. Remember, you loaded up your pantry with supplies from one of those bulk discount stores. Except all you could fit in there was a 50-pound bag of oats, which is great if you're a horse. What about MREs? They're probably still good, and they will keep you alive. But I suspect with all the chemicals and preservatives in them, your body will regret it. If only there was a solution that was nutritious, delicious, and packaged so well that it stayed good for up to 25 years. Boom! The 4 Patriots 3-month survival food kit. It contains over 600 delicious servings of breakfast, lunches, dinners, desserts, drinks, even snacks. You'll love them. Your family will love them because each recipe is prepared by food scientists who are actually good at making food taste good. They're freeze-dried, then packed in these Mylar packages, which will keep them good for up to 25 years. And they are so easy to make. Just boil, simmer, and serve. So you'll have them when you need them, and they come in these portable, disaster-proof totes that don't take up all the space in your pantry. This contains 3 months of food. All of this beautiful, delicious food and more is in each 3-month survival food kit. Don't be unprepared. Click the link and get your food stockpile. So our 3-month kit actually comes in 2 totes, just like this, and everything is packaged in little packages like this. And so we cook this up on the stove, and this is what you get. And you know that in our 3-month kits, we have breakfast, lunch, dinners. So all of these things come in our 3-month kit, plus a lot more.